Alright guys, let's solve this equation quickly. It says the 2x root of 256 is equal to 2x. Okay, how do we solve this? Now, the first thing I do here is to take the 2x power of both sides. So I raise both sides to the power of 2x. So I have the 2x to root of 256 raised to power 2x is equal to 2x raised to power 2x. Now, anytime you have the same number of square roots and the same number of roots with the same number of power, the power can annul the roots. Okay, and annul simply means it's a fancy word for cancel. So the power can cancel the roots. So it means that this will go with this. So that bottom line, I'm left with 256 is equal to 2x raised to power 2x. Right? Now, at this point, it seems that we have 2x is constant and this 2x is, let's say that 2x is equal to 2x, alright? So 2x is equal to 2x, that's an established fact. Now, we have to express 256 in a form that it is a number raised to power that same number, alright? So, first of all, what's 256? 256 is 16 times 16, okay? So we have that 16 squared is 256, okay? And this is equal to this, alright? Now, again, if I take square root of 16, it is 4, alright? It means that 4 raised to power 4 will be equal to 256, alright? Because if I have 16 as 4 squared raised to power 2, right, which is this, and this is equal to 2x. 4 squared is 16, alright? But then remember from my product law, recall that from product law, if I have a raised to power m or raised to power n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by n, alright? So it means that this is 4 raised to power 2 multiplied by 2, and 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, okay? So we have 4 raised to power 4, and this is equal to what? 2x, sorry, 2x raised to power 2x. Now, at this point, I want you to take an observation. You have 4 here, you have 2x. You have 4 here, you have 2x. Okay? So from here, we can just draw a conclusion that 2x is equal to 4. But then recall, they are required to find x and not 2x. Hence, x now will be equal to 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. Alright? Thanks for watching. I hope this made sense. If it did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.